Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Glam and Fab Queen. And you've seen some of my videos. It was all about makeup, but I'm not a makeup artist. And the reason why I did that is because I really wanted to share my passion to people. But I want you to get to know me as to who I am and what I do. So, my name is Michelle Season and my background is about business. I finished college, taking up business management. It's a business course, and after that, I entered into a job, and that's about working in the bank. And I was an account officer to help people to finance their properties. It was a very good job at the age of 21. So the reason why I opened this channel is because I really wanted to help people about beauty, wellness, and business, and to teach people how to look good and feel good. So it's also about helping people about to have their flexible income and financial freedom, how to have it. So as I've said, my background, I was into banking, and my parents were into also banking, so they wanted me to be a banker. And it was a very good job, but the pay was very low. And so I said that I wanted to be doing something else. I wanted to be a business person. I wanted to be an entrepreneur. As I've said, I wanted to teach you about wellness, beauty, lifestyle, and success. And this channel is about learning life skills and business skills. I saw my parents working in the bank. They were bosses. They had staff. They were working into this big desk. They had all these people coming to them. They were signing documents, important banking documents. And I saw also my mom that he was also working. He was a working mother. And I said that it was a very nice thing to do, to be a good career person, a good career woman. And so what I did was they sent me to big schools. And these are really good schools where the top people in the society were going to. And I learned about how to be a good person, how to have skills, how to really work hard, and how to be successful in the future. And so I really appreciate what they had to do for my education. All right, and my parents said that it's like when you go to college, you have to go to a good school and then find a good job. And for them, having a job was the only security that anybody can have. That if you have a job, that's the only way to be successful in life. And so I believe in that. I believe in success. But I wanted to be different. I wanted to have my own business than just staying in the office. I had to look for something else. You know, normally parents or our children, we don't want what our parents were doing. Even if they look successful, they were doing fine, we wanted to do something that is from us. So most kids don't want to do what their parents have been doing. And for me, I wanted to be different. I want to be extraordinary. So my first job at the time, as I've said, was into bank. But prior to that, I was working in a very big American company. They own this biggest fast food chain in the world. And I was a manager trainee. But because of working like 10 hours a day or more, and with erratic schedule, like I would come in at 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. and later on it's like up to 12 midnight or more. And I said that was not the kind of life that I wanted to have. So, and my day off was like I wouldn't know when. They would just give me what they want. I cannot plan my life. So I said I had to leave the job, and I left my job. And then I went into banking, and after that I went to another company. I was a marketing supervisor for a forwarding company. And it was a very good job. But then I said at the time, I was almost 25 years old, I had to ask myself, is this what I wanted to do in my life? And I said, in my heart and in me, no, I wanted to be better. I wanted to really be successful in life. And so I went on to find another job. So at the time, I was almost 25 years old. And I said, what do I really want to be? What kind of life do I want to be 5 years from then? And I will be about 30 at the time. And I asked myself, is this what I really wanted? I said no. What I wanted was I wanted to have freedom from my parents, because at the time I was still living with them. I said I want to be able to do what I really want to do. And second, I wanted to travel, because in that regular job, I couldn't afford to travel. And then I said I had to look for something else. And I wanted to have a good lifestyle. Having a job and to earn only about $200 to $400 at the time a month, it dictates that I cannot afford to have a lifestyle. So I had to look for something else. And so I went to look out for something else. And of course, I didn't want to have a boss anymore. I wanted to be my own boss, because that's the reason why I took up business management. I wanted to earn, or to have my own business and not to have a boss. And so the good thing is that I met wonderful mentors who taught me how to do business, and they believe in me, and they told me that I can become more than what I believe at that time in myself. I can become more. And they also said I can be my own boss, and so I followed their teaching. And so I did that, and I worked very hard from the time I was 25 to 30 years old, and everything changed for me. So this channel is about success. It's about improving your life, and it's not just about wellness and beauty. It's really about, what do you want to be in your life? What do you want to have 5 years from now? And you will not be 20 years old forever. Sooner or later, you guys will get married and you will have kids. So like me, I got married and then I had kids, and I really had to plan for my children, for my future. And so I was able to make it, and I was able to become successful, and I wanted to share this with you. And that's the reason why I have this video, I have this channel, so that I can teach you guys, and women, and you know, young people, that what you can have and what you can become. So as I've said, I worked very hard and I became successful, and now I'm living the life that I want. I have a lifestyle that I want, and I wanted to really share with the young people and the millennials, and we have the next generation of Generation Z, or what they call centennials, to really find out what they want. So that's the reason why I have this channel. And so keep watching. You watch my next video. It's called, should you quit your job, and when do you want to quit your job, right? So I'm not saying that you should quit your job now and that you should really leave it without any plans. Of course, you should have a plan, but maybe for some of you and for some of the young people out there, they're looking for answers to their problems. And for most of them, they couldn't ask their parents. They're shy to ask their parents. So they search and they find people who can help them. So in this channel of mine, I really wanted to share what I've been through with people, with the young audience there, as to what they can be in their future. So thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you're going to like this channel, and if you like this kind of subject or topic, like below, and we'll be doing more for you in the next videos. Bye bye.